Today, we take you inside one of the world's most advanced and fully modern leopard-style leather factories, where ethical synthetic materials are transformed into luxury leather products with extreme precision and high-tech engineering. From the moment raw pattern sheets arrive to the final packaging of premium fashion items, every part of this facility is designed for accuracy, cleanliness, and efficiency. The process begins at the factory intake bay, where temperature-controlled delivery trucks bring sealed batches of synthetic leopard pattern raw sheets. Each sheet is immediately scanned, tagged, and analyzed for thickness, color uniformity, moisture balance, and surface texture. Robotic arms lift the material and gently place it onto the primary conveyor, pushing it forward into the cleaning and preparation zone. This is where the journey truly begins. As the sheets enter the first dry cleaning tunnel, rotating microfiber brushes glide across their surface, removing dust and loose debris. Directional air jets blow away microscopic particles, leaving the material visibly smoother and cleaner. This dry cleaning step prepares the sheets for the wet cleaning phase, ensuring no impurities interfere with the washing formulation. Next, the sheets move into a stainless steel wash chamber for the first water wash. High-pressure filtered water jets spray across the surface, while soft enzyme foam helps lift deeper residues. Multi-direction brushes gently scrub the material as it moves through the chamber. UV sterilization lamps complete the cycle by eliminating any remaining contaminants. When the sheets exit this wash tunnel, they are fully sanitized, refreshed, and ready for detailed scanning. In the thermal scanning arc, high-performance sensors evaluate every part of the material. Temperature alignment, moisture levels, pattern accuracy, thickness quality, and color depth are analyzed instantly. Robotic sorters automatically separate any sheet that does not meet factory standards. Only the highest purity material continues forward. Approved sheets enter large rotating hydration drums where softening oils, fiber conditioners, and moisture boosters are evenly applied. This step deeply nourishes the synthetic fibers, giving the material flexibility, smoothness, and the soft, luxurious touch needed for premium handbags, jackets, and accessories. The drums rotate slowly, ensuring even absorption. When the sheets leave this unit, they are significantly softer and more pliable. The next stage is the advanced tanning process. Even though this leather is synthetic and cruelty-free, it undergoes stabilization steps similar to traditional tanning, yet with modern chemistry and precise automation. Moisture balance is corrected, enzyme stabilizers are applied, and a nano-resin layer bonds to the material structure, making it durable and long-lasting. Warm airflow curing inside the tanning tunnel locks these treatments in place, creating a stable, strong, and high-quality synthetic leather base. After tanning, the sheets move into the air knife drying tunnel. High-pressure air streams remove excess moisture almost instantly. Stretching frames pull the material from all sides, ensuring perfectly even tension across the entire sheet. LED inspection tunnels illuminate the surface, checking for color consistency and highlighting any imperfections. Only flawless sheets continue down the line. When they exit this area, the leopard pattern looks brighter. Inside the grain enhancement hall, huge steel rollers press micro-textures into the surface. These heated embossing rollers create permanent grain details that mimic the depth and richness of exotic leather. Cooling racks solidify the pattern, locking in the texture. At this stage, the leopard leather has its signature, natural-looking appearance, ready to be shaped into premium goods. The material now moves to the laser cutting zone, one of the most precise areas in the entire factory. AI-guided laser
Leopard.
arms scan each sheet and cut shapes for handbags, belts, shoes, jackets, and small accessories with an accuracy of up to 0.01 millimeters. Edges come out perfectly smooth and clean, ensuring flawless alignment during stitching. This step defines the exact design of every final product. In the automated stitching department, robotic sewing units begin assembling the pieces. Pre-programmed stitching patterns ensure uniform lines, consistent tension, and perfectly measured seams. Heat-sealing plates reinforce the edges, while automated folding arms shape the material into curves and contours. Slowly, bags take form, jackets develop structure, belts achieve shape, and shoe components become recognizable. After automation finishes its work, skilled craftspeople take over for the refinement stage. Human hands perform delicate adjustments that machines cannot replicate, like detailed edge folding, hand-stitch reinforcement, installing metallic hardware, aligning buckles and zippers, and attaching brand elements. Workers polish surfaces, smooth out fine textures, and perform micro-inspections to ensure everything meets luxury-grade expectations. This combination of robotics and human craftsmanship is what gives the products their high-end finish. The finishing line adds the final touch. Microfiber polishers glide across each product, enhancing shine and removing tiny surface marks. A protective nano coating is applied to increase water resistance and protect the leather from long-term wear. UV lamps cure the coating instantly, locking in durability and producing a premium glossy, elegant look. Each product passes into the quality control department, where it is tested under strong lighting. Stitch tension is checked, color stability is verified, bend resistance is measured, hardware alignment is inspected, and surface texture is examined from multiple angles. Only items that pass every test move forward. Anything that fails returns for correction or rework. Finally, the finished items enter the luxury packaging zone. Products are placed into velvet-lined boxes or soft dust bags. Gold foil labels and authenticity cards are added. QR-coded tracking tags ensure each piece can be traced from factory to customer. Once packed, the items are sealed, labeled, and arranged onto pallets for shipment to global fashion houses and distributors. This completes the journey inside a modern Leopard-style leather factory, an advanced, ethical, high-tech facility where raw patterned sheets transform into high-end fashion products through a combination of robotics, science, and expert craftsmanship. Every stage is planned with precision, every step is executed with care, and every product reflects the factory's commitment to quality and innovation.